Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA is pushing higher. In yesterday's video I also showed you the wave count regarding the bigger picture, the overall wave count. For now the price is following the microstructure and I wanted to see one more high. In this direct move to the upside, it was, I don't want to say obvious, but it was a reasonable scenario to watch for one more high, targeting possibly even 94 cents. Now we're nearly there and there is no need to get to 94 cents, but it's the next upside fib level. It would be ideal, maybe even a bit higher. That would be the $1.04 level, but bear in mind that around the $1 mark, there is some psychological resistance as well, of course. And the price is just simply following at the moment the ideal wave count, especially given that only yesterday in the last video I shared with you, this could still be an Elliott wave triangle. As long as we don't break below previous swing lows, this is a valid Elliott wave triangle, one of the few that have actually formed in this cycle. And if this is a wave 4, the ideal pathway would be to go higher more directly, and it shouldn't take much longer given that the wave 2 is also not that long, and wave 4s, they tend to be a little bit longer maybe than wave 2s, but then they typically would not be much longer. So yeah, it's following it, it's following the pathway higher. And I posted that a couple of days ago only, this setup. It was a setup on a smaller time frame on our X profile. So if you're not following us there, do it please, because there are additional updates there every single day about different things, mindset, but also some crypto updates. And that was on the 18th actually. So the pullback remains corrective in nature. And as long as the price holds above the support level, 63 cents, I'm watching for one more high in wave 5 of 5, indicating obviously that this is the ideal pathway. And the alternative would have been a larger wave 4, yes, but as you can see, we held support and actually it's following like a textbook 5-wave pattern to the upside. So if you're interested in additional updates like this, make sure that you follow us here on X, formerly Twitter. The link for our profile is in the description. There are also some member-only videos, not member-only, X-only videos, Twitter-only videos that are not on YouTube. Yeah, so what else can we say? Well, look, I did tell you yesterday that should we complete wave 4 there, we can calculate maybe the next upside target a little bit more precisely. Now, how can we do that? Well, there is a way to calculate. We already have these fib levels in place, 94 cents, $1.04. But knowing that the wave 4 is over, we can measure waves 1 and 3. So we take the length with our Fibonacci extension tool. We go to the low of the 4th wave, which is the end of the triangle, the E wave. And then we're looking for certain fib levels, specifically in this case then the 61.8 extension and the 38.2 extension. Let's see where we are with those. So 86 cents, but they are really just on the micro level, and 95. So there seems to be some confluence around 94, 95 cents. It's common. It's a common target, the area between the 38% extension of waves 1 and 3 together. So all I can say is we're now approaching an area where, I mean, this wave count is full. We have 5 waves up complete from the Wednesday low, 13th of November. We had a support area down here, remember? There was also a great setup. This one also a setup. And now we have 5 waves up from that mid-November low, but also 5 waves up from the October low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that, I mean, be ready that this larger pullback could occur now. I'm watching for that on the Bitcoin chart as well. I will remove this support area now from the chart. We don't need that, but the larger one could be useful to watch because this is now our main risk area. I mean, essentially it takes a break below the breakout, not the breakout level, it takes a break below the end of the triangle at 72 cents to indicate now that we've started the larger 4th wave. Okay, that would be a first indication. That would begin the top confirmation process. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.